Hello students, good morning. Welcome to online maths class for 8th standard. Chapter 2, exercise 2.1, fourth sum. For the sector with given measures, find the length of the arc, area and perimeter. Hint is given, pi is equal to 3.14. Given central angle 120 degree, D is equal to 12.6 centimeter. Solution. Given theta is equal to 120 degree, D is equal to 12.6 centimeter. We need R. So, R is equal to D by 2. That is 12.6 divided by 2. We get using 2 tables. 6 2s are 12 and 3 2s are 6. Length of arc L is equal to, here ask first one, length of the arc. Length of the arc L is equal to theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r centimeter. This is the formula. L is equal to theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r units. Here theta is given 120 degree divided by 360 degree into 2 into, here pi value is given already hint, that is 3.14 into r is equal to 6.3 centimeter. Using cancellation method, 0 0 get cancel, and here theta is 120. From 120 0 and 360 10 get cancel. Using 12th table, using 12th table 120 degree divided by 360 degree, that is 0 0 get cancel. And then using 12th table, 3 12s are 36, that is 3 times. Again 3 table, 3 strike out, and then using 3 table, 2 3s are 6, 1 3 is 3. Here 2.1, that is 2 into 2.1, 2 into 2.1 into 3.14 centimeter. You have to multiple 3.4 into, that is 2 into 2.1 we get, that is 2 into 2.1. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, that is 4.2. 3.4 into 4.2 we get, that is 4 2s are 8, 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6, 4 4s are 16, 6 remainder, 1 carries, and then 1 4 is 4, 4 plus 1 5, and 4 3s are 12. And now add it 8, and then 6 plus 2 8, and then 6 plus 5 11, 1 carries, 2 plus 1 3 and 1. Here our answer is 13.188. So it's a round off, we get 13.19 centimeter. 13.19 centimeter. Next one, you have to find area of sector. Area of the sector A is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square units. Area means pi r square units. Here theta, what is value of theta? 120 degree divided by 360 degree. 0 0 get cancel. Using 12th table 3 times. Using 12th table 3 times. Again 3, and then strike out 6.3. That is 3 table 2 times, and 1 3 is 3, that is 2.1. Sir, answer is, that is 3.14 into 2.1. 1 4 is 4. Here this is 1 4 is 4, 1 1 is 1, 1 3 is 3. And then using 2 table, 4 2s are 8, 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. Now add it 4, 9, and then 5, and then 6 into, here 3.6 is there, 3 point into 3.6 again. 3, using 3 table, 4 3s are 12, 2, remainder 1 carries, 9 3s are 27, 28, remainder 2 carries, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17, and remainder 1 carries, 6 threes are 18, 18 plus 1, 19. And then next one, using 6th table. 6 fours are 24, remainder 2 carries, and 9 6 are 54, 54 plus 2, 56, 6 5 carries, and 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 5, 35. Remainder 3 carries, 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 3, 39. Now added 2 and then 8 plus 4, 12, 2, remainder 1, 7 plus 7, 14, remainder 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, remainder 1 carries, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 9, here 1 plus 1 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry 1, remainder 1 carries, 3 plus 1, 4, 14.54, its round off means 41.54, 41.54 centimeter square. And then next one, perimeter of the sector P is equal to, perimeter of the sector P is equal to theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r units plus 2r. That is simply L plus 2r. That is simply L plus 2r. Formula L plus 2r. What is L? Already we find the L. What is? That is 13.19. 2r. 2 into, that is D. D value is 12.6 centimeter. Now you are adding, we get 25.79 centimeter. Final answer is 25.79 centimeter. Children, I think so you are all understood. Shall we move to next sum? Next sum, fifth sum. From the measures given below, find the area of the sector. Second subdivision, length of arc 50 centimeter. R is equal to 13.5 centimeter. R is equal to 13.5 centimeter. You have to find area of the sector. Area of the sector. Given L is equal to 50 centimeter. R is equal to 13.5 centimeter. Area of the sector A is equal to LR divided by 2. Here formula LR divided by 2. Here given length of arc and radius. So using this formula LR divided by 2 square units. L is equal to 50. R is equal to 13.5 divided by 2. Using 2 table, 50 how many times? That is 25 times. 25 into 13.5 we get 337.5 centimeter square. Next, sixth sum. Find the central angle of each of the sectors whose measures are given below. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. Here hint is pi is equal to 22 by 7. First subdivision, area is given. That is area 462 centimeter square. R is equal to 21 centimeter. Using formula, area formula, that is A is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Here A is given already. What is 462, which is equal to theta by 360. Central angle. You have to find central angle, that is theta. You have to find theta. Theta by 360 degree into here value of pi is 22 by 7 into r is equal to r 2 times, that is r square. Here r square is there. So 21 into 21. Using 7th table, here 21 is 3 times. And then here using 3 table, this is 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 0 as it is, 120 times. And then next one, theta is equal to theta. Just transverse to left side. So these values are left side. Theta is equal to 462 into this. It's a denominator moves to transverse to left side means it get a numerator, that is 120 divided by numerator change to denominator. 22 divided by 22 into 21. Here using 22 table, here 2 22s are 44 and remainder 2 carries 22. Remainder carries 22 means 22 table in how many times? 1 times, that is 21. 21 21 get cancelled. What is remaining? 120 is there. So theta is equal to 120. Theta is equal to 120. Second subdivision, L length of arc is given. Here length of arc is given, that is 44 meter. 44 meter. R is given, that is R is 35 meter. L is equal to, here using formula, L is equal to theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r into 2 pi r. Here arc length is given, so you are using circumference formula 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Here L is equal to 44. L is equal to 44, theta by 360 degree into 2 into pi value is already in hint given 22 by 7. Here R is 35. Using 7th table, 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. Here theta is equal to, just transfers to left side, theta is equal to 44 into, here denominator is 360 degree divided by 2 into 22 into 5. Here using 22 table, this is 2 times and 2 get cancelled. Remaining is 360 degree divided by 5. Using 5th table, 7 5s are 35, remainder 1 carries, 2 5s are 10. That is 72 degree. Theta is equal to 72 degree. Theta is equal to 72 degree. Next one, 7th. A circle of radius 120 meter is divided into 8 equal sectors. Find the length of the arc of each of the sector. Given, what is given? R is given. R is equal to 120 meter. N is equal to 8. Here length of arc L is equal to, using this formula, number of, so equal, that is circle. This circle is divided into how many parts? 8 equal parts. This is 1 time, here 4 and then 8 times. 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. This side 4. 8 equal parts. That means using formula 1 by n into 2 pi r units. Here n is 8. N is 8. And 2 into pi into, here r is given, that is 120. 120 meter. Unit is meter. So using 2 table, 8 how many times? 4 times. And then using 4th table how many times? 30 times. 30 into pi meter. 30 into pi meter. Next one, 8th sum. A circle of radius 70 centimeter is divided into 5 equal sectors. Find the area of each of the sector. Find the area of each of the sector. Given R is equal to 70 centimeter. N is equal to 5 equal parts. Like this, 5 equal parts. Area of the sector, A is equal to, here area, so given, so using area formula pi r square. 1 by n into pi r square units. Say here n is equal to 5, that is 1 by 5 into pi into r is equal to 70. 70 into 70, that is r square is given, so 70 into 70 centimeter square. Centimeter square. Using 5th table, 70, how many times? 14 times. 14 into 70, that is 14 into 7. 7 4s are 28, 8, remainder 2 carries. 1 7 is 7, 7 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 9. 98, that is 980 pi centimeter square. 980 pi centimeter square. Children, I think so you are all understood. Today's homework. Today's homework, 4th sum. So 4th sum, first subdivision. So like a second subdivision, right? And then 5th sum, from 5th sum, so first subdivision homework, right? Like second subdivision. Okay? Thank you, children.